What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos for YouTube. YouTube is an awesome place to share your videos, but you want to make sure you know how to edit a good video before you're sharing your content on YouTube with the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you, you are going to learn how to edit videos for YouTube using a very free program called iMovie. Now, if you don't own a Mac, if you own a PC and you don't have access to iMovie, I'd encourage you to stay with us in this video because the exact same principles are going to apply to whatever video editing software you use. So I'm right here in a brand new project in iMovie, or for you, it's a new project in whatever software you are using. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import my media. Now I have some GoPro footage saved to my desktop. So I'm just going to select all those GoPro videos and I'm going to import them here into my project. Now this is going to just be a really quick little video just to show you guys how to go about editing a video, some of the characteristics, some of the tactics and strategies to keep in mind while doing this. So I'm going to look over really quickly here my 4 video clips, see what each one is about. Now I got to decide where I want to start. I think I'm going to start with this video clip right here. So I'm going to drag it into my timeline, though there will probably be a timeline somewhere in your software. I'm dragging it into my timeline and I've got here my video clip and my audio clip, and they are together. If I wanted to separate them, I could click on my video clip and click detach audio. That would split the audio and the video. That's something that I usually like to do when editing videos, so that way if I want to cut out audio or minimize audio in certain places, it just makes it a little bit easier, and it's easier to see the 2 different files. So I'm going to detach my audio. Now I'm going to add in what clip I want to have second. So let's try this tubing clip. Once again, I'm going to detach the audio, scroll over, then I think I'm going to add our fishing clip here, detach the audio, scroll to the end and add the surfing clip and detach the audio. Okay, now I've got my 4 clips into the software. So now I'm going to work on trimming those 4 clips so that they're all where I want them to be. So I'm going to click on the clip. I'm just going to play through it. Let me turn off that volume. You won't be able to hear the volume, but that's okay. You probably won't really need to. So I'm just going to browse through the clip. I'm looking at it. Okay, so it's pretty much right there that I probably want to start it. So I'm just going to drag my clip, drag my audio, and there we go. Maybe I don't want to show this clip for all like 21 seconds. Maybe I want to cut to some different points. So let's let it play for a couple seconds here. Then when I find a good point that I want to stop at, I'm going to split the clip. Now I've got a new clip here. Let it play. I'll cut out that part. So I'll split the clip again. I'm going to delete that section. That also, I think I have my, oh no, my audio is down there. There we go. I'm actually not even going to use audio because I'm going to use background music. So I'm just going to delete my audio for now. So I'm going to play a little bit more. And then I'll split it again right there. And then this last clip, I obviously don't want it to film me. I don't want it to film me grabbing the camera, so I'll just delete that end part. So I've got 3 clips here. It's a little bit shorter. And actually I'm going to get rid of that middle clip. We'll just stick with those 2 clips for now. Okay, now we're to the next clip. I'm just going to scan through it really quickly. Okay, so we got a cool wipeout video. So maybe we'll just lead up to about right there. So I'm just going to drag it right to that point. Oops. Let's view it from that point. And I would think it'd be cool to do a slow-mo here. So I'm going to split that right before they crash. I'm going to check out the crash part, split it right after the crash, let it play out just a little bit farther. So you see what I did there? I led up to it. I split it right where the crash is, and then I went back and finished the clip. Once again, I'm gonna delete the audio. I'm gonna just delete the audio on all those. So to make this slow-mo, I'm gonna click on the clip I want to go in slow motion. I'm gonna go up here to the top, click on this little like speedometer thingy, and I'm gonna change the speed to slow. Now, I can do 10%, 25%, 50%, you know, there's a lot of different percentages I can do. But let's just see how slow it is. 10% is a little too slow. Let's try 25. Let's try 50. Let's see full time into the slow-mo. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let me go back and try 25 again. Maybe I'll just drag it just a little bit faster. It depends on the frame rate you shot the video at too to make it not look choppy. That's pretty good. And then it goes back to normal speed. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna actually cut that a little bit shorter. Okay, now we're gonna go into our fishing clip. This one's a longer clip, so we're probably gonna break this down quite a bit. I'm just gonna scan through it. Skip ahead to this part. So now we know we got a fish on, we see it jumping. Let's split it. See it jumping. Okay, we're close to the net. I'm gonna split it right there. I'm gonna delete that section, so we're going, then we split, close to the net, we've netted it. I'll split it when we net it. Handed it to him. Now the camera's not really showing, so I don't want to worry about that. Okay. Now I split it again. We're to the point where he's getting ready to take it out of the net. I'm going to split it again. See, guys, I use the split clip a lot. So we're trying to get it out of the net. I'll split it to show a little bit of that. Let me delete that section. So we're trying to get out of the net. I don't want my hand in there, so I'm going to split it right before. Let's see if we can get to where he gets it out of the net. Okay, now we're pulling it up. I like that spot right there. So I'm going to split, delete that big section I don't need. Pulling it up. Oh, it flopped out. I like that as a slow-mo too. Let's split that. Let's do the little fish flop. It's just that little section. Let's go make that slow-mo again. So we got him pulling it up, and then, oh, I wonder if we can do that 10%. Oh no. Okay, so that's a pretty cool little slow-mo section right there. And then it looks like we kind of cut. So then we could probably just trim that end part down. Okay, that's a pretty good. Let's check out our fishing clip section right here really quick. There we go. Got the net, we've netted it. Working on getting it out. Getting it out, pulling it up, and slow-mo fish flop. No! Swear words. Okay. Now we're on this last clip here of me attempting to wake surf. So let's see what we got here. We got me getting up. That's nice. Then we got me just kind of pulling it in. We don't really need any of that. Get rid of that. Now we're cruising. Split it again. See what we got here. Oh, getting crazy right there. You can tell I'm like a professional, right? Getting crazy, surfing, and then let's see what we got here at the end. Oh, I threw the rope. We want to catch that. Split clip, throw the rope, and I lasted like 5 seconds. I'm a lot better wake surfer now, guys, by the way, so don't judge me on that one. This was like 2 years ago. Okay, cool. We got our videos. We're good. Now, the next thing I want to do, guys, to get this ready for YouTube is I obviously want to add some background music. So let me hit up my audio. Let's check out iTunes. Let's see what kind of video or kind of music we have. Okay, this is all so old. But nonetheless, we're just going to find just whatever music we can find. So let's see what we got here. This might sound kind of weird, but let's just play it. This is like a techno song. Maybe I want to fast forward because this is a shorter clip. Okay, so let's say I wanted to fade this in. I'm going to drag that little dot. I'm going to do a fade in so it starts off quiet. And then it builds up. We've got our music going. We're playing. Maybe I want to actually, I'm going to fast forward a little bit more so you can get some cool stuff. Okay, you get the gist. We've got the music in there. I'm going to come over here. We're going to go all the way to the end. And we're going to click and drag the music. I'm going to turn that off now. We're going to, click and drag the music to the end of the file. So we're clicking and dragging. There we go. I'm going to change that fade out again. So we're to the end. Now you can hear it fade out. So we faded out and we've got our music ready. Now if I wanted to turn it down a little, obviously if you see red peaks, that's not a very good sign. So I could turn it down to, 79 or whatever. Make sure we're good with that. The last thing you're going to want to do, guys, if you want to make sure your video is ready for YouTube, is you could add some transitions. So I could click on, let's go here to the beginning. I'll go up to the top of the screen here and click transitions. Maybe I want to start off with a little fade to black. So we start off black and then we come in. I could do cross blurs, cross dissolves. So you can see there, cross dissolves. I could do fade to whites, and I'm just dragging these in where we're switching from one clip to the next, like from tubing to fishing. I'll go down here to fishing and switch from fishing to wake surfing. And there you go, we got some transitions, and then if I wanted to add a fade to black there at the end there, fade to black at the end, and there we go. Last thing, maybe I want to throw on a title. So I'll add a title here at the top of the screen. Maybe we want to do Lake Powell. Let's see what it looks like. Got title text here. It's got the overlay. Make it a little bit longer. So let's do Lake Powell. Maybe I just want to delete that. We got Lake Powell. And then, what was the date on this? I think it was 2017. We'll put that in there if I wanted to. Lake Powell 2017. I got the title. You could add text wherever else you wanted to in this video. But there you go, guys. That's our video. We're playing. I'm going to zoom in so I can see the whole thing. We got the slow-mo. We got the music. You can't hear the music right now, but we got the music. We've got the cuts. We've got the transitions. And there you go. We've got our video that is ready for YouTube. And then, of course, I could just share this video straight to YouTube if I wanted to. I could share it to a file. I could share it to Facebook or, pretty much wherever I wanted to. But I could just export it as well if I wanted to. And, save it to my computer, do whatever I need to. Alright guys, if you like this video, if you liked our video editing, if you want to know some more video editing tips or tricks, leave me a comment, let me know what you'd like to learn, and I'd be happy to put a video together for you. Don't forget to subscribe, check out some of our other awesome tech videos and reviews. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I'll see you in the next video.